Yep, back again with more suspension problems and solutions. This was the latest problem to the rear of my suspension. I had been hearing a clunk and I couldn't really pinpoint it. I know what I have changed and I know what I didn't change. I know that what I had been experiencing is when I turn kind of quickly to the left, this wheel feels like it was sliding out. And the problem to that is the bushing went out. When they actually took the piece off, the inner part shot out, which is this part. So it's identical here and here. And let me zoom in. You can see all this was eaten out. And it'll just slide around in there. Slide around. So this is the part one video, and I'm gonna have a part two video ready for y'all after this. But these parts are the lateral link. There is a left and a right, and if I flip it over, this one says left hand, and there's right hand, and there's a specific curve in it too. So that lets you know it's different. So don't buy one thinking it's gonna fit both sides. But the way that these fit actually, let's see, no, it goes like this. Sorry about that. Trying to have the best representation of how it sits in the car so that if you look on your car, you'll see that it curves up like this. Okay, that's the way it sits. There's left hand, right hand. This comes up to the middle. And on this one, which I heard more of the noise, it was just doing the same thing. And this is like the noise that you'll hear. Sometimes it'll be more pronounced. Sometimes it'll just be faint. Sometimes it might not make noise at all, being the way that your suspension is going and what you're going over. But the bushing around here shoots out and it eats all the rubber around here. And this is what you end up with: noise, banging, and all kind of little noises like that in different areas. So at first I just tried to pinpoint what exactly was going on. And then when I looked, I could see all this was shooting out the side of it. So I knew this was bad. And so these were going to be the next, because see how much movement? Like if I really wanted to, I could tear this out. Look. See there? Bad. All bad. This one was still in there good, but all the rest of them gone. So these are your lateral links. I found the new ones at AutoZone. The part numbers are CA 4705 and 4706 if you have the rear wheel drive. You probably would have to order it because it was kind of hard to hunt down and it wasn't available in store. So this is the end of part one. I'll get with you on part two. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. I don't say it too much, but this information can be helpful to the next for the people that want to keep them going. All right.